All right, YouTubers, working on a 2011 Ford Fusion. Have to get the window regulator out. I have some sort of rattle inside the door. It's driving me crazy. The most difficult part was disconnecting this connector for the door latch. Sits inside the door like so, with this tab facing down. So to release the connector, you have to pull this red tab back with your fingernail, push up on this black tab underneath, and pull on the wire, and it comes off. When you put it back, snaps in, push the red tab back in place to lock it. That's the most difficult part I had of getting this window regulator out without chopping the door apart. Okay, steel out.